what kind of AI or machine learning technology should someone be looking at to kind of manage this challenge of an abundance of structured and unstructured data?
If you start looking at solving organizational and enterprise problems, it is not a one tool to solve all the problems, right? Like LLMs by themselves, or for that matter, any technology alone cannot solve all the problems. One is the type of data, right? And the type of data, you have some unstructured data, tech centric data, where sure you can, take advantage of LLMs to an extent on some types of tasks. But then you also have structured data, and you have a lot of structured data sometimes. And in many cases, there's actually a nice mixture of structured and unstructured data that play well when you combine them. Now, this is where LLM starts getting a little trickier, because LLMs are not trained, or they are not adept at dealing with two different types of data sets. The second important part, or second very important variable, is the fact that the manifestation of this data alone is in multiple forms. And what I mean by that is there is a humongous effort around bringing all this data management and bringing all this together in a place that it can be processed, understood by any model whatsoever or any technology whatsoever, right? And as an example, I'll give you one simple example which I think all of us can associate with. Say you have unstructured data sitting in PDF documents on one side, and you have a screenshot on the other, which is an image, a JPEG image or a PNG image. You need to process both of them along with some rows in a table. Now, unless you make them all sort of together in one place to kind of, be brought together and then be combined together in some logical way, you're not going to get the value out of it. So the second challenge really is in bringing in all these different data sets from different places, the variety of data that we spoke about, the first vector, but then also combining them in meaningful ways in the right way.